Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss chapter number 36, 37 and 38 in GK. We will start from chapter number 36. As you can see, the heading has world's famous sports person. That means in that video, there is a description has given about the world famous sport personality, and according to their achievement in their respective games which they played, we have to identify the name of that person. So likewise, the first picture has shown to us and description has given to us. What description we have? That in picture number 1, he was the greatest footballer of the 20th century. He scored 1281 goals in 1363 games. He was the winner of 3 World Cups for Brazil. Since retirement, he has become a global ambassador for sports. According to that picture, what is the name of that personality? The answer is Pele. That is the answer of that personality, that is called Pele. Now we will move on to the second picture, and the description has given to us. He was a boxing Olympic champion and world heavyweight champion. He dominated the sport with his athletic prowess and formidable personality. He became an iconic figure who inspired millions with his deeply held conviction, courage, wit, and efforts to unite people. We had to identify this sports personality, and the answer is Muhammad Ali. Now the third picture has shown to us, and his description has given to us that he is an athlete and 9-time Olympic gold medalist. He has won gold in 3 Olympics and was the greatest star of track and field in 1980s. What is the name of that personality? The name is Carl Lewis. The name of that personality is Carl Lewis. The fourth has given to us the fourth picture, and in which we have to identify he won 4 gold medals at the 1936 Berlin Olympics, which broke Hitler's pride. Despite suffered racial discrimination in his own country, he remained a great ambassador for the sports. What is the name of that personality? The name of that personality is Jace Owens. The name of that personality is Jace Owens. Now fifth picture has given to us, and we had to be identify. He is a very famous cricketer, or you can say he is also considered to be god of cricket. He was by far the greatest batsman cricket has ever produced. Statistically, he was far ahead of any other test batsman. That means he is considered to be the father of cricket. What is the name of that personality? The Sir Donald Bradman. The name of that personality is Sir Donald Bradman. Now we will move on to the next picture, that is picture number 6, and we have given some description about that picture. She won a total of 38 Grand Slams titles and 12 single titles, an early advocate of equality for women. She won the famous Battle of the Sexes against Bobby Riggs in 1973. What is the name of that personality? It is Billie Jean King. The name is Billie Jean King. Seventh picture has shows to us he smashed the world record for 100 meter and 200 meter. He won triple Olympic gold at both the 2008 and 2012. What is the name of that personality? The name of that personality is Usain Bolt. The name of personality is Usain Bolt. Picture number 8 has given to us, and his description has given to us. He is the most successful cyclist ever. He dominated the sport, winning both classic one-day races and the major 3-week tours, including 5 Tour de France victories. What is the name of that cyclist? The name of that cyclist is Eddy Merckx. The name of that is Eddy Merckx. Ninth has given to us, ninth picture. She is one of the most successful female track and field athletes. She won Olympic gold in heptathlon and long jump. What is the name of that personality? That is Jackie Joyner Kresse. That is the name has given to us. The name of that personality is Jackie Joyner Kresse. Jenny Joker Kresse. 10th has given to us. He is a very famous footballer, and we have to identify him. He is one of the most spectacular footballers of the modern era. He has led Barcelona FC to unprecedented domestic success and have been voted Footballer of the Year 4 times. The name of that footballer is Lionel Messi. The name is Lionel Messi. Once again, I just remind to you what are the names of different personality. First is Pele. Second is Muhammad Ali. Third is Carl Lewis. Fourth is Jesse Owens. Fifth is Sir Donald Trump. Sixth one is Billie Jean King. Seventh is Usain Bolt. Eighth is Eddy Merckx. Ninth is Jackie Joyner Kresse, and 10th one is Lionel Messi. Now we will move on to the next chapter, and chapter number 37, where we have given some Olympic medalist of India pictures, and we have to be identify that picture. According to that, we have given some pictures of Olympic medalist of India, and we have to be identify the Indian Olympic medals winners with the help of the given pictures. The very first picture has given to us, and we had to identify that personality. That means what is the name of that personality? We have to be identify. The name of that first personality is Norman Pritchard. The name is Norman Pritchard. The second picture has given to us. The second picture, the name of that personality is Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav. Khasaba Dadasaheb Jadhav. That is the picture number 2. The third has given to us, that is the third one has given to us the personality we had to be identify. That is number 3, and it is the name of that personality is Leander Paes. Fourth one has given to us, and we had to identify. The name is Karnam Malleshwari. Fifth has given to us, that is Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. Sixth one has given, and his name is Abhinav Bindra. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore and Abhinav Bindra both are from pistol event. Seventh picture has shows to us, he is also very famous, and the name is Vijender Singh. The name of that person is Vijender Singh. Eighth picture has shown to us, the name of that famous personality is Sushil Kumar. Ninth has given to us, in ninth picture we had to be identify, the name is Vijay Kumar. Picture number 10, and she is very famous, that is Sania Nehwal. Next picture, picture number 11 has given to us, it is she also very famous boxer of our female boxer of our India, Mary Kom. Next has given picture number 12. He is also from shooting event, and the name of that person is Gagan Narang. The name of that person is Gagan Narang. We have given the picture number 13, and what is the name of that personality? It is Yogeshwar Dutt. The name of that person is Yogeshwar Dutt. Picture number 14, she is very famous badminton player, and the name her PV Sindhu. And last picture number 15 has given to us, and we have to be identify that personality, and the name of that personality is Sakshi Malik. This is the name of last picture. Once again, I just repeat to you that what is the name has given to us. The first has given to us the name, first picture has Norman Pritchard. Second has given to us Khasba Dada Saheb Jadhav. Third one is Leander Pace. Fourth is Karnam Malleshwari. Fifth is Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod. Sixth is Abhinav Bindra. Seventh is Vijinder Singh. Eighth is Sushil Kumar. Then ninth is Vijay Kumar. 10th picture, it is Sania Nehwal. 11th picture, it is Mary Kom. In 12th, it is Gagan Narang. In 13th, it is Yogeshwar Dutt. In 14th, it is PV Sindhu. And in 15th picture, it is Sakshi Malik. So that is the famous Olympic medalists of India. Now we will move on to the next chapter, chapter number 38, where we need to be identify that some of the famous sports personalities have written when the sports persons are right. These sports persons have written their autobiographies. That means they have, after having so much experience in their respective sports field, after that they are writing their autobiographies. So we have to be identify which autobiography related to the which sports personality. So first picture has given to us, that is called Steve Waugh. Now we have to be identify that which book has been written by the Steve Waugh. Steve Waugh is a very famous cricketer, and he was also the captain of Australian team. So we had to be identify what he has written. So the answer of the first book autobiography has been written by Steve Waugh is Out of My Comfort Zone. That is the answer of first one, that is Out of My Comfort Zone. Second picture has shown to us Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal has been written Playing to Win. That is the autobiography has been written for her. That is known to be as, that is called Playing to Win. Third has given to us, that is Shane Warne. What he has written, My Illustrated Career. That is the name of the autobiography, My Illustrated Career. Fourth picture has given to us, that is Sania Mirza, and what she has written, The Ace Against Odds. That is the autobiography name is Ace Against Odds. Fifth has given to us Kevin Peterson. Now we have to be identify what the autobiography of Kevin Peterson has given to us. It is also the famous cricketer from England, and his biography is Crossing Boundaries. We have to identify, and we have got Crossing Boundaries. Now the picture number 6 has given to us Sunil Gavaskar. What the Sunil Gavaskar has written, the answer of his autobiography, that is called The Sunny Days. Now the picture number 7 has given to us Lance Armstrong. What he has written? He has written, he is very famous cyclist. It is not about my bike, my journey back to life. It is not about my bike, my journey back to life. The eighth has given to us Sachin Tendulkar. The picture has given to us the eighth one. It is Sachin Tendulkar, and we had to identify what autobiography has written. The answer is Playing It My Way, my autobiography. That is the name of his autobiography. The ninth has given to us Milkha Singh, and Milkha Singh autobiography name is The Race of My Life. That is the answer is The Race of My Life. And last has picture has given to us, it is called Andre Agassi. The name of the autobiography has been written is Open. So once again I just repeat to you what are the name of the biography has been written to respective sports personality. The first has given to us Steve Waugh. First has given to Steve Waugh, and his autobiography is Out of My Comfort Zone. Second is Saina Nehwal. It is Playing to Win. Third is Shane Warne. His autobiography is My Illustrated Career. Fourth has given to us Sania Mirza. What is the name of her biography? Ace Against Odds. Fifth has given Calvin Peterson, and his autobiography is Crossing Boundaries. Then sixth has given Sunil Gavaskar, Sunny Days. Lance Armstrong, seventh, It's Not About My Bike, My Journey Back to Life. Eighth, Sachin Tendulkar, Playing It My Way, My Autobiography. Ninth, Milkha Singh. The answer is The Race of My Life. And last is Andre Agassi. That is Open. So I hope you understand all these chapters. Chapter number 36, World's Famous Sports Persons. Chapter number 37, Olympic Medalist of India. And chapter number 38, When Sports Persons Write. Thank you very much.